right? So like I said, it's really squiggly. I don't know if you can see how rough that line is. So I'm gonna have to clean that up, right? I indicated like where's the top of my sole, here and here. But there's other things that I'm gonna need to get in here with, right? Like, look at that little piece of leather up there. You know, look at how the top of that sole, then there's a little stitching that's slightly above it. Do I indicate this in here, or this interior stuff? I could do that. The most important thing is just to get the wire sculpture on there. I don't have to do a whole lot of the interior, like stitching and stuff like that. You know, it might be good to put this sole, the top of that sole in there. But really what I'm mostly looking for is the outside contour. Looking up at this thing, yeah, that's a big mess, right? You can see that there's two things going on here. There's the place where it is right down there, the footprint, the base of it. Then out here, there's some places where, the shoe actually gets a little bit wider out here, gets wider in the back. So I'm actually going to want to indicate both of those things in my floor plan, right? And when I draw my rectangle around it, I'm going to include those things. The other thing is, I kind of squiggled this thing here. I'm going to have to, fix some of this a little bit just to make sure that it's square with the midline of my of the heel. I'll talk about that more in just a minute, as I clean this thing up. But the deal is that my shoe, touches from here to here on the floor, okay, and then it raises up back here, and it goes up again, comes back down and touches here, and stops touching there on its way back up here. Now that's going to be more clear when I draw the box around here, what exactly is going on with that. You'll notice that I'm not having you do a front study, right? We could do that. It's really quite hard to draw that, but I think that we will be able to get everything that we need from these two studies in terms of proportion and what we're going to do. The other thing is that the studies on this are big enough that there's no way we're going to fit it on the same page with our drawing, okay? You do not want to put your drawing on the other side of this to save paper though, right? Look how dirty the other side is on my piece of paper. But anyways, you're going to be referring back to this, so don't put it on the back side, okay? You need to be able to see this when you're doing your drawing. All right.